Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my January 2022 Boxycharm box. I'm so excited about this one. I feel like last month I got a really good box, so I'm super excited to see what the first one of 2022 has for us. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna unbox this, see what we can try out, all the fun stuff we always do. So before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out on 3 videos a week, and it just means the world to me, so thank you so much. But if you want to see me unbox my January Boxycharm, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, you already know I love Boxycharm, so I'm very excited to get this open so we can see what's inside. As usual, I already ripped the seal open, but I have not peeked, so I have no idea what's in the box. I like to keep it a surprise, and that's how we're gonna keep it. So I'm just gonna open this up. So when you open it, yeah, as usual, it has the Instagram handle and the hashtag, and then it just says, "Hello, Charmer." And then when you open this up, it has that beautiful hot pink Boxycharm logo. So looking in the box, I'm gonna pull the card out. So it's very like fresh looking. It says Boxycharm Refresh. So I have a little bit of a feeling there's gonna be some skincare in here. So like we always do, I'm just gonna read through the list and I'm gonna let you guys know what I have inside. And if there's any products that we can try out, we will. So the first thing on the list is from FARMACY. I really like FARMACY. It's the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. Very excited about that already. I've been needing a new hyaluronic acid serum, so this came in the perfect time. So it says a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multimolecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy-looking skin. And this goes for $44, so definitely a little pricey. Let me, oh, there it is. So this is what it looks like, the classic FARMACY packaging. And then there's like a little honeycomb look on top, very cute. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm way too excited about this right now. And this packaging is beautiful. Oh, I love that it's a pump, okay. I feel like I've been getting a lot of droppers lately, but I just love how easy a pump is. So I'm gonna pump out a little bit on the back of my hand just to see how it feels. Oh, okay, I was expecting it to be like very liquidy and clear, and it's actually not as liquidy as I was thinking it was gonna be, and it's like a white, like milky kind of color. So let me see if there's a smell. I have lotion on my hands, so I can't do that, but it actually, like, you can't really smell much of anything initially, but once you get in there a little bit, it has like a little bit of a honey smell. So I'm guessing there's like a little theme there of honey. And when I put it on the back of my hand, even if I have lotion, it smells like honey. But it's actually a good smell. And it feels very like moisturizing. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. It feels really nice actually. So I'm super excited about this. Once I'm done filming and I'm about to take all my makeup off, I'm gonna put this on my face and see what it does for me, because I need some new stuff in my life, you know? You can never have too much, right? So next up we have from Wander Beauty, the Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate the skin while reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it goes for $36. So let me see. Here it is. So here is what that looks like. I love these colors already. I figured it was gonna look the same when I pull it out. So here's what it looks like here. It's super cute, and I love the texture of this. But, okay. So I open it up. I'm taking the plastic out. I don't really know. So the mirror right off the bat is good. I don't want to show you guys too much and expose my messy background, but the mirror I do really, really like. It's a good quality mirror, but the products themselves, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Very, very light colors. I love these two sparkles right here, but the rest of them, I am not too sure about. Let me swatch them really quick and then I'll come back and I'll talk a little bit more. But just like looking at them like this, it's not like drawing me in, you know? All right, I just came back. I just swatched everything and I actually like it a lot better seeing it on my arm than I do in the palette. So when you look at them just in the palette like this, they all look so dull and just like so the same. But when you swatch them, they all have their own little flair and I love all of them. The only one that I didn't really like the feeling of was the blush. Like the blush felt kind of scratchy and I feel like it's not that pigmented, but the rest of these, oh my God, when I put my finger in, it literally felt like butter. So, so soft. And they all came out so, so pigmented. Let me just, I don't want to do a lot, but I want to put some of this on my cheekbones because I think this one is a highlighter. It's After Hours. Let me see what it does. Oh God, that is beaming. I was not expecting that. Wait a minute. Guys, that is bright. Whoa. I actually really, really love that. And a little goes a long way. You really don't need to put a lot on the brush. And a lot of that comes out. Oh my God. Okay, I'm happy with it. And I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of Cabana and put it on my lids. It's like that champagne-y sparkly shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that on my lids and see what it does for me. Wow, I take back everything I said. Look at this. Oh my God. Do not judge a book by its cover, clearly, because I was so disappointed when I saw this and I was like, oh, so dull. Like I love neutrals, but these are just too similar looking in the palette to each other. Again though, swatching them, amazing. And putting them on, so easy to put on. Obviously so easy to blend, so beautiful, so pigmented, just so amazing. I am definitely going to be using this more. I'm going to grab for this a lot more now. So stay tuned on like a later review of what I think of this. But right now, I'm obsessed. Next up, we have from Liss Beauty. It's the No Limits Matte Bronzer. It says, velvety in texture, this clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract, this finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections and texture. Vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free. And it goes for $18. So let's see. I'm obsessed already. Like, come on. This packaging is already so unique. And then it says that I have shade Courage, which is tan. I love this shape. This is so cute. The outside packaging reminds me a lot of like the Patrick Ta packaging. So, oh, I feel like this is gonna be way too dark for me. I don't know about this. Okay, let me swatch on the back of my hand first and see. Very pigmented already. I barely touched it and a bunch of it came off on my finger. Well, maybe I could work with this. I feel like it's gonna be dark. I don't know. Oh my God. Okay, I'm scared. Let me take a brush. I'm gonna use one of the ones I got in another Boxycharm video. So I'm gonna very, very lightly tap into this. By the way, this mirror is also amazing. I'm getting lucky with the mirrors today. I just can't get over how pretty this packaging is though. Love. All right. Anyways, I'm scared. I'm stalling. I'm going to tap this in. That even might have been too much. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply on my cheeks and see what happens. Please don't be too dark. Okay, so I do think this is a little bit too dark for me, but I do love how easily it went on, and I feel like it wasn't patchy at all. I feel like it went on super evenly, and very, very nicely. It's insanely pigmented. Like, you really just need to lightly tap your brush in there, tap off the extra, and it's still gonna be a lot, but in a good way. But I just feel like this color is a little bit too dark for me, and I have a tan right now, so I don't know. Like, I may not use this as often as I wish, just because I feel like this color isn't right for me, but the quality is really, really good. So I might have to get like a lighter version of this and see what I can do with it, because I do really, really like the results. Just the color is not, I think, exactly what I need. So another good product, just not my color. Next up, we have from Seraphine Botanicals, the Luna Liner. It's a water-resistant liquid eyeliner. A vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, allowing you to create precise definition where you want. And it goes for $18. I also really like the Seraphine, oh, here it is. The Seraphine Botanicals product that I got last time too. So I'm excited to see what this is. So this is the packaging, very like standard, nothing really stands out about it, but that's fine, it's eyeliner. I am going to open this up, swatch on the back of my hand. Very black and pigmented. So far I like. And we're just gonna apply, I know I already have a little well, it's eyeshadow, but I'm gonna apply a little bit on my eyes and see what happens. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything, but I wanna add a little black there, and let's see. Okay, so I just did a little bit on my eyes, just on top of that brown eyeshadow, and I do really, really love how pigmented it is. It's definitely, like, a lot comes out, which is very good, which I like in an eyeliner, but I do feel like the brush that it's on is very stiff. Like, it's a little hard to move with. Like, I like it when the brush is like flexible, so it's easy to kind of create the lines that you want. With this, I feel like it's a little bit harder because it's a stiff brush, so you're just kind of like stuck one way, if that makes sense. I don't know. So I don't really know if that's gonna work too well for me, but the pigment and the color I do really, really like, so I'm gonna have to keep playing with that. The last one that we have is from Billion Dollar Brows. I knew this last one was gonna be a brow product. I don't know why, I just knew it. Billion Dollar Brows, it's the Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, the Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want, while creating hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. And it goes for $16. Last product in here. Here's what the packaging looks like. I think this is the first time I'm hearing of Billion Dollar Brow. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is the first time. So it's like a very, very thin pencil. And here is what it looks like on the inside. No really shape to it, it's just like flat on the top. And then it comes with a spoolie on the other side. So let me just see if I can draw a little something on the back of my, what color did they give me? Taupe. That might be too light for me. I don't know. I feel like I need dark brown. Taupe is a little bit light. I don't know. My brows are filled in. I guess we could see if I could do anything else to them. No, it's not. My brows are filled, so you can't really see too much. I do love how thin it is. Like, I feel like I am making hair-like strokes here. Like, it's very easy to use. And I feel like a good amount of pigment comes out too. So very, very user-friendly. I just don't think the color match is there. Like, both of these products, I don't know what happened. Usually they're really good about matching the right color, so I don't know what went wrong. Like, I could have used a dark brown for this, and then like a shade lighter for this. So I'm not a fan of the color matches this month around, but I definitely think I see myself using this. And if it ends up being too light for me on fresh brows, I'll just give this to my mom because she has light hair. So either way, I'm happy. Either way it works out, but I just wish it was darker. But that's it. those are all 5 products for this month's box. I'm excited to play around with them a lot more and see what they do for me in the long term. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Comment and let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the products that I got in the box. If you've tried any of them, let me know what you got in your box and if we got the same stuff. Just say hello. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next one.